try to attempt to fix this hole here. This is very big, as you see. It has a one here and then two more here, one here and then one here, so they're all big. This is the original tube for bike. Big. So I can use this rubber cement. This one will take about a day to dry. This one, but this is flexible. It's recommended to use this though, but there is no guarantee. It's gonna seal the hole exactly. It may leak, I don't know, because this is not strong enough. This is, however, very strong. It dry within 5 minutes, but it's not flexible, so it's not gonna extend the tube. But I'm gonna use this for a quick result to fix this hole, those on the top. I don't have a bigger one. I wish if I do, because it works better, but this also not bad. It's gonna work. So I'm holding a pressure for about like 30-40 seconds. This is very quick. Krazy glue, instant glue. It'll dry very quick, and so that's a quick repair. And we're gonna test it after, when it's dry within like 3-4 minutes. We're gonna float the tube and then we test it. So we'll just wait for another 5 minutes. Now it's dry, but we'll give it wait for 5 minutes to completely dry before we float the tube. So the reason I put one beneath and one above, because the hole is big and it's better to glue this together. Second, it won't stick together. Like if I glue it, this will stick together. So we don't want this happen. Now it looks good. we're just gonna wait, and then we're gonna do the other one here. Here's another one, and then the third one is here. Okay, let's do those. First, let's take one of those. So you need to be careful not to get it in your skin, because it's really hard to remove it from skin. So yeah, just put enough to cover everything. Hold it for about 30-40 seconds. Okay, let's do the other one. This is big. Okay, so let's see. Now we're just gonna wait for 5 minutes to make sure this is completely dry, especially this one here. This is the worst one, and we'll give it a test. So it's been more than 5 minutes, about just like 6-7 minutes or so, but now it's dry completely and it's ready to inflate it. Okay. Okay. No leak. Good. Let's do the other one. No leak. Good. Test this one. Good. Okay, this tube ready to install. Let's install it. We're gonna inspect this tire to make sure no damage here. And yeah, it's pretty warm, but still okay. I think we can use it. Yeah. Make sure everything is good. That's good. That's good. Okay, time to put this together. Good. Okay. Let's pump it.